Hey there, Jana is here, and today I want to share with you my 5 favorite core exercises that target every single muscle group of your core, your abdominal wall. And your core is not only your 6 packs, it's every single muscle that attaches to your pelvis and to your lower back. For stability, to stabilize you while you're moving, to support your back and spine as well. So that will include your glutes, your back extensors, your obliques, and your pelvic floor and deep hip rotator muscles as well. So I'll do each exercise for 1 minute and take maybe a light 5-10 seconds break, so you can have like a really good 5-minute core finisher after the regular workout if you need to add a little bit more ab work at the end, or if you have a busy day and you can squeeze your longer workout, you can do just 5-minute great ab work and feel like you're accomplished and you've done something great for your body. All right, so I'm Jana, I'm Pilates instructor and FST, fascial stretch therapist, and I do work with a lot of physio clients as well. So let's get started.
Our first exercise is a classic ab curl focusing on the rectus abdominis, those 6-pack muscles, as well as the pelvic floor. So let's bring the hands behind the head and make sure not pulling your head forward and feeling it in your neck. Should be folding from the ribs and pressing the ribs a little bit down and in towards the hips as you're curling up. Your shoulder blades should be coming off the floor. You should be feeling more work in your abdominals. Our second exercise is a dead bug, which focusing on the deeper layers of your core, your transversus abdominis that support the stability of the spine. So we're going to open up, same side, arm and leg, scooping the tummy in. Make sure your abs are not popping up, they're pulling inwards. So your belly button is in and upwards. On the exhale, you open, inhale. Good. You also can push the opposite hand to the knee, feeling that your abdominals staying well engaged. Nice. Do your own pace. The next one is the oblique twist. Your obliques are on the sides and they're controlling the movement when you rotate. Good. We're going to curl and elbow to the knee. Think of your lifting as you rotate. So adding that curl, keeping your shoulder blades off the mat, but pelvis is nice and level. Next one is the reverse ab curl. Head stays down and you're curling from your tailbone. So you're really focusing on the lower abs, so transversus abdominis, pelvic floor. Good. Lower belly. Good. Try not to use the momentum and scoop the belly before you curl the tailbone off the mat. And the last, but probably the most difficult and most functional movement, is the plank. So you're focusing on all layers of your core muscles, plus your legs, plus your glutes, and the upper body, your shoulders and your back. Good. So you can stay in the forearm plank or full plank for a minute, or you can do a little saw, so bringing your rocking your weight front and back, or tapping the hips side to side, which will target a little bit more of the oblique muscles on the sides. It's up to you, or you can combine 30 seconds holding plank and then 30 seconds variations. Well done, you guys, and have a great day.